Okay. Well, hello, Miss. My name is Edwin Guacosadas. Today I'm gonna talk about globalization and its impact on industrial engineering. Okay. So globalization is a process that connects countries, company, and people around the world. It is driven by technology, communication, and international trades. In the past, industry worked mostly inside their own countries, but today almost every company interacts with global markets. Uh, Products are designed in one country and manufactured in another one and distributed all over the world. This creates opportunities but also new challenges for professional and industries. So, under underlining globalization is important because it influences the way we work, the way companies operate nowadays, and the way industries compete. Okay, so globalization can be understood as the growing in interconnection between countries through the exchange of goods, services, information, technologies. One of its main characteristic is the is that removes barriers, allowing companies to expand their operations international. We see globalization in the way information travels, like really fast across the world, in the way that products are made using international components as well. Um, and the way labor and knowledge move between countries. We see that also. Another important aspect is the creation of the global supply chain. I study that being an industrial engineer. Sorry. This means that products process and how they spread across multiple countries to reduce cost and improve efficiency. So globalization has traveled around the world and has several advantages that benefits countries and industry. One major advantage is access to global markets, which helps the companies to grow, reach new customers. Another benefit is the rapid spread of technology, allowing industries to innovate faster. Globalization also reduces production cost by enabling companies to manufacture in places where resources or labor sorry are more affordable. However, it has a lot of disadvantages as well. Some local industry cannot compete with international companies because they are big companies, so they disappear. Uh, the As well as the companies move their operations to another countries with cheap labor, as we know, for example, China. It affects workers in their home country. Like, for example, we have labor in the U.S. is more expensive than China's. So it increase the wage inequity and cause environmental problems as well due to the high levels of transportation and pollution. So globalization has a strong impact on industry or on industrial engineering because it changes how companies organize productions, manage resources, and design process. Industrial engineering Well, industrial engineers like me, now we work with global supply chains that involves suppliers, factories, and distribution centers located in different countries. This requires greater planning, coordination, problem solving. Another influence in the adoption of global standards such as ISO's certification, which helps ensures quality and consistency across the international operations. Well, globalization also accelerates the use of advanced technology like automatizations, robotic data analysis in as several aspects. Industrial engineers also we must understand these tools to provide productivity and reduce cost. Finally, globalizations increase competitions, which purchases industries to operate more efficiently. As well, we play a key role in optimizing. You can say optimizing processes, applying lean manufacturing as well, and developing strategies to make companies more competitive in global markets. So that's my presentation about industrial engineering and how globalization impacts in my career, in a good way, and like disadvantages as well we have. So thank you, Miss, for the opportunity, and see you next time.